This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, a bed liner, OnStar, dual cargo area lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.